Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited to have my October paper pumpkin kit come in the mail. I'm so excited about this one. It is called Winter Woods and this is actually a two-part series. So this month, October 2019 and November 2019, the kits actually coordinate together for the perfect holiday celebration. One is going to be cards and one is going to be tags. So I can't wait to open this up and see which one it is and what the fabulous goodies are on the inside. So you can see it's very wintry looking, which I'm so fine with holding off for winter. After all, we're still in October and we have to go through Halloween first. Oh, here, I'm opening it upside down. So here it is. So you can see, look at part 2 is going to come in like a more wood grain box. How cute is that? I love when the boxes are a little decorative and different than just the regular orange, although the orange is super fun too. So it looks like the ink pad is Night of Navy. And our stamps, we have snowflakes, a cardinal. Cardinals must be so big this year. A snowflake. And then there's winter wishes, season's greetings, and wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I love that there's sort of a greeting for every type or season. You know, like there's the winter one, and then of course there's the holiday for Christmas or season's greetings that you can use depending on which greeting you prefer to say. So that is super, super fabulous. Of course, the blue tissue paper matches so well. So let's open this up, toss that aside. So this one is the cards, and look at those fabulous birch trees. I am loving it, and let's open this up. Okay, so here we have that fabulous flyer that shows all of the cards with colored pictures, instructions on the inside. Of course, don't forget there's that ruler on the bottom for whenever you're measuring out your string and everything. And then of course, ooh, more samples on the back. How fabulous is that? I never realized that they did the more samples. I just knew that they did a colored picture on the back. So the fact that there's other samples of ways to use this kit is super, super fabulous, which you can also check that out on Pinterest too. Then we have our mini glue dots and some gorgeous blue with like a silver trim on the little greetings, and these all die cut out, but I found it's best to actually leave them on the piece when it comes to stamping. It just seems to be easier than trying to stamp on a little small one on its own, and it seems like it's a bigger piece, so it's easier to stamp. And then here we have, it looks like we have mini Stampin' Dimensionals and some die cuts. So here's our mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And then we have a whole bunch of birds, cardinals. And then look at these. Can you tell that they're glittery? They're so gorgeous. My lighting here, I'm still kind of getting used to it. There, you can actually see it there. So bear with me as I figure out all my lighting at the new Laura's Stamp Pad. But there are 1,000,001 of these in here, and you can see that they're all die cut out with that fabulous birch tree. Here we have some strips of like wood grain look. I'm assuming that this probably backs the greeting over there. And then the envelopes are silver lined with that foil. How gorgeous. And wood grain on the inside. How gorgeous is that? So they have the foil trim on the front and then the foil trim on the back and that fabulous wood grain look. And then we have little bitty snowflakes. Aren't those so cute? Oh, I love them. And then the card bases here. And so they already come printed with that fabulous scene and the little trees and everything, but yet they're still white on the inside. So that's awesome for writing in there. And then it looks like we have more of those little greetings. Let me check and see how many cards are in this kit. It looks like there are 10 total cards. So that's awesome. 10 cards to be able to get a good head start on your Christmas cards for the year. Or maybe that's all that you do is send out 10, which is awesome too. Any card sent in the mail to someone you love is fabulous. So don't forget to send out those cards that you make and really enjoy. Of course, there's always the chance to get refill kits. Towards the end of the month, Stampin' Up! Will release refill kits where you don't get the stamps and the ink, but you can get more of the consumable items. So if you did need to make more cards and super loved these, you could always do that as well. So this is the October 2019 Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin Kit called Winter Woods. And don't forget, next month it's going to coordinate and it's going to be tags. So if you want to sign up, I will leave a link down below so that you can do that. And you can enjoy it for 1 month, for multiple months, whatever you would like. There's no penalties for stopping early, and there's nothing wrong with continuing to enjoy it for months and months on end. So you can unbox your kit with me next month and have so much fun just like I am. I will be posting the finished product of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there as well as other past kits to kind of see what Paper Pumpkin is all about. And I'll leave those links down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.